Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cluttered desks and missed appointments? I just discovered the digital calendar wall touchscreen by Yemst and it's a total game changer. This sleek device is not just a pretty face, it's also packed with smart tech that makes staying organized a breeze. With its HD quality display, you can see every detail of your schedule with crystal clarity, from the texture of the digital calendar pages to the sound of reminders gently alerting you to upcoming events. The digital calendar wall touchscreen is well reviewed by many customers who have made the switch to digital, and for good reason. For one, it's backed by 24/7 customer support and a robust 2-year warranty, giving you peace of mind and a lasting quality experience. The 15.6-inch touchscreen is also incredibly responsive, allowing you to navigate your schedule with ease, whether you're planning a busy day at the office or a relaxing weekend at home. I've found that using the digital calendar wall touchscreen has really helped me stay on top of my schedule, with reminders and notifications that feel intuitive and natural. Plus, the device itself has a premium feel, with a durable build that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. Whether you're a busy professional or a student, this device is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling and stay organized. In my experience, the digital calendar wall touchscreen is far superior to traditional paper calendars, which can get cluttered and disorganized. With this device, you can easily add or remove events, set reminders, and even share your schedule with others. So why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? With its impressive features and user-friendly interface, I'm confident you'll love the digital calendar wall touchscreen just as much as I do. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.